Hi, this is the final video, or what should be the final video of the SDK introduction series. At the end of the last video, we just ran short of time to finish off showing what we were doing, but I had updated the metadata here with the md.update, and I had called the build doc sub, which I had added. I had to go back and add this user connection to the thing before it would work, but once we ran it, we found that we could add to the Abacus document and the metadata therein no free list to here, and if we hit the go button here, we then see the server-side engine is called into action to build all of that stuff, including our new text, and I can see it here. If I click on the document, I can actually see that no free list will now be part of my document. What I want to do though is just finish off here by doing one more thing, and that is adding an image here to the ASP, an ASP image. There it is, one of those. I'll chuck one of those in here, and I'm going to now update that, and I'll take some more code from over here and explain what I'm doing. I'm going to take that code there. As soon as I've built the doc here in my button click sub, I'm going to retrieve it again, and the reason I'm doing that is I'm going to extract from the database the newly created locations of the stuff that the engine built. So you see the engine built all of this stuff and put it various places, and then updates the object to let the programmer retrieve this stuff. Now I've got image 1, I've dragged that onto my front end. Image 1 is here. I can then influence that in code, so I'm just putting a border on it here of 1, but then I'm setting its URL to the string returned by the doc.getPic method, which is the latest version from the web server of the preview image. So if I now run this, having added those two things to the screen, I should now get a preview of this image in my browser once it's finished. There's my new window. And keep an eye on the engine as we do this. So whatever, I need to find the Abacus doc because it's got the correct metadata. I'll feed that doc ID into the ASP on postback, and I'm just going to put in here Merry Christmas, and hit go. Again, we're going to see the engine go, but rather than return to AdLizard to see proof of our update, I ought to see here there it is, a new My Ad preview. So I've now really built in essence Merry Happy Easter. In essence, I've built here a little AdLizard document editor that just allows a single variable to be updated in the ad. Happy Easter, and there it is. Okay, so there it is in all its glory. No comments. No, it's pretty ugly and a bit messy here, but those videos, if viewed in sequence, will give you a good grasp, at least of an introduction to the AdLizard SDK and how to use it. The documentation for the SDK and all the objects and methods, as well as the source code for this project, are in the same directory or as otherwise instructed on the website where you downloaded these videos from. So all the best, good coding, see you again later.